about 2 seconds from blowing. Honestly, I really hope today we blow it. We got Luke cruising around the X3 with his giant sombrero and grabbing some pictures and stuff. But we're out here at Mudbash 2021. It is friggin' full of people out here at Busco Beach. Steering's off. I need a new four-wheeler. This thing is absolutely clapped. Hey, your snorkels are a little messed up. Look, it's Beavis. Hi, Charlie. Look, all the Honda boys got here. Just checked out the Gator Wader tent. Look them up. That's what we all rock for our waders. These swamp series are nice in the summer, especially for night rides. But now we're gonna go see how quickly we can break this Outlander, making some hellacious noises. This gets stupid deep up there. He's on 33s and 6-inch lift, and I'm on some 28s. And it's up to his racks. I don't know if I can follow you through that. That's a little too deep for me. Woo! Oh, we getting deep, deep. I can't wheel it up anymore. That's a fucking deep one. All right, now Luke finally got down here. It's been a minute since we've had a freaking four-wheeling video. Look at how deep that gate is. And that thing's a monster alone. I'm a little stock girl. Can we take her deep? We ain't scared. Hello. Here's the water. So as long as the waders don't go under. We're gonna have to wheelie this whole thing. Yeah, we gotta keep it up in a wheelie for this whole thing. I don't think, even with my snorkels, it's high enough. Woohoo! Yes, sir, baby. Yes, sir. Touch the top. She's got it. What if I just kill switch myself? That'd ruin my day. Yes, sir, baby. Woo! Yep, yep. Captain Morgan, this thing. I'm coming for you. I was gonna run you over. Look at this big gate coming through here. You know it's deep when his snorkel's about to go under, and he's on a 6-inch lift. We gotta lift my Audi. When I stepped off the back, my waders got wet. That's how deep it is. Like, we're not even in the deep spot. We're up to our waist right here. Don't put that in the video. He looks too cool.
Dude, I've never worn waders like in water.
Weird?
It is so it's like those things that like test your heart rate at the doctor that they put on your arm, but it's all on your legs.
Yeah, the armband that tells you what your heart rate is, but it's all around your whole entire body when you're in water like this. Yo, clapped out, he still got it, boys. It looks like absolute garbage. Still does it. This would be a good time for me to pull your key out.
Get on the front, get on the front, get on the front.
I almost ran Kay over. I was doing a wheelie and I pinned her up to the corner. About just sunk the Outlander and the rear diff hasn't blown yet. All right, now we're going over by the 50-50 hole and play in the mud. Definitely have to get the proper entrance. This rear diff's gonna blow. Come on, girl. Woo! These ruts are like 4 foot deep. Woo! Get up this hump. Where's all the Hondas at? It's a little muddy, so the whole bike's just floating, and the ruts are really bad this year. Last year it wasn't that ruddy, it was a lot more water. Alright, it's lubricated by mud. This rear diff is so gonna blow. Oh yeah! It's ready to pop, boys. My rear diff's ready to pop. Come on, Tim, let's go. Oh, it's grinding.
Do you want me to call Jamie now, or are you going to?
Yeah, let's get Jamie on the phone. Ah! We did it! Rear dip delete, boys! And all it took was a 50-50. Woo!
Oh my god!
Oh, I cracked it in half! Yeah! Yeah! I think I just grenaded the gears. Hey, come over here, come over here. Come look at it like this. Point it in there. I did it! We did it! Fucking mint! We need some duct tape. We did it. We broke it. Finally.
Did you try turning it off and turning it back on again?
Yeah, that's probably good. Maybe I should turn it off and on again.
What is it? Yeah.
Don't take it off, America. I like it. Oh, this sounds so good. All right, we're gonna go wash off, and then we're gonna go pull up on Jamie over at the tent. This is like the ride of shame. Everybody's looking at me because my diff is so screeching loud. Everybody can hear it.
No, he can't.
Jamie, you disappointed me.
You
told me you had a diff for me.
Film it.
Let's see. Can you see now?
Yeah.
All right. Jamie let us down a little bit. He didn't have what I needed. We're gonna get in the X3 rip. Oh, we're gonna have a race. Ready, set, go. We're gonna leave the Outlander with Robert Parker with momentum. So now we're gonna jump in the Whoa! We're gonna jump in the X3 and go ripping, go meet up with the rest of the crew.
Oh, hell yeah! Hey, put it on there!
Alright, so the water up here is too deep for me to go through, so I guess I'm just gonna skim it. Because this is where Chris and everybody's at. Here we go, boys! Woo! I've got snorkels! Yes, sir! What's going on, man? What's going on, dude? How you doing?
Good.
Oh, y'all just got here.
Yeah.
You ain't even ripping yet. I'll catch you on the trail.
Alright.
Later, man. Like, where the fuck?
Braden is stuck!
What?
Braden is stuck!
What's he on?
He tried to get around the damn thing that flipped and he fell in that hole and fucking got stuck. They're getting him pulled out right now.
Oh, okay. Hello! What's up, buddy? Let's see if we can splash Braden.
Why did you do that?
Bro, I got so much. Hey, where's my truck? Let's go. I don't have no brakes.
Braden looks like the last Cocoa Puff in a fucking bowl of cereal.
Busco is just such a vibe. Like the riding, alright, I'll admit, not that good. The atmosphere, just the romping around, the crowd, it's like going to like a truck event or a car meet.
What's that third or second time a Can-Am pulled out a Polaris today?
I'm pulling Polaris out all over. Not out here.
Nice.
You good?
Yeah, what's fucking good? Oh shit!
Hey, Miller!
Yo, he got us food!
Hey, let's get a belly flop in. That shit's nasty. That's a spicy water. Need a belly flop. Can I get a belly flop into the bounty hole?
No.
Come on.
No, that's for you two!
What? There's a water hole right there. Come on. Pay for this shit.
It's going on that. You got the bicycle.
You do it.
Ready to go.
Yeah. You do it. He's seriously about to jump in.
Dude, oh my god.
You want to jump into my next? Turn your diff lock on.
Oh, you broke his foot.
I can make it through with the X3.
I don't know.
That thing's a monster. Portals make a difference.
Oh my god. Let's go.
Oh yeah. These rear drive shafts mean nothing to me.
Oh my god, look.
Hey, did you try turning it off and on again?
I might have to back up. Oh my god! Yo, this camera.
Look at the camera. Boy, dude. You had one job. Keep that thing clean.
I know, but the dude, he came in too
You
fast.
just ruined it.
The ports. Look at the microphone ports.
Oh my god. As long as it survives this trip. I'm over here talking to some people, having a good time. I'm like, let me go find Luke. I come back, he looks like this. Everybody else looks like this. How dirty Luke is how dirty my freaking brand new camera is. Alright, day 2 of Busco has been pretty good. A lot of random stuff happened today. This whole video has just been a vibe of what Busco's about. We had the full sense of Brandon's hydroplane, a little bit of trail ride. We didn't cover too much trail riding. Talking with people, hanging out, meeting people, meeting viewers, meeting you guys. That's awesome to me. Everybody that came up to me and talked, I appreciate it. Be sure to check out the next video. We're getting the wakeboard out, we're getting the tube out, we're getting out on the water here at Busco Beach. We're going, we're gonna try to. Hey, you're in. I'm trying to do an outro here, my dude. Guys, we got some sun hats from Performance East, but I'm gonna be coming up with my own sun hats. When we hit 100K, we're almost there. We got like 15 more thousand to go. We're gonna have some sun hat merch coming. I appreciate it for everything. Later.
Let me get bigger.
How about you?
Kyle's gay. Kyle and Buddy Price do weird things together.